Hey guys, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Mudiaga the Adventure as it's here again. And well, and if you're watching this, please kindly click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be exploring the city of Kaduna, which apparently be my first time visiting there. So I know I had nice places to discover, and I want to go there to find out what it has to offer. So also going with my fellow adventure guys and likes of Churchman. He has been to over 47 countries and counting, and it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure being with him. So I just feel already it's going to be a great experience, you know. So you guys just watch us and I take you through the whole process of our adventure. Ciao.
Actually in Nigeria. This is not Canada, this is not America, this is actually Nigeria, Abuja. And we're happy to be here. We're trying to experience how people feel when they travel with train here in Nigeria. I've not done it before, and today is my first time, and I'm coming right here with my brother. He's also a YouTuber like me.
Mudiaga, Adventure Addict.
Check him out, check me out. I also put a link up so that you see his link and follow his channel. This is the exit. This is actually where people exit from when they land from here. The Idu station. You have people going from here to airport, and also from here to Kaduna. Kaduna is also part of Nigeria, actually in the north. People go from here to the airport. It's easy to access airport from here. You have to beat the hold up, the traffic and all that, as in when you are moving with train from here. And you can also go from here to Kaduna. And we are here to explore Kaduna with the train. We've not done it before, and I'm happy to experience.
It's a privilege, I'll call it. So, and, having this experience with Churchman again, he's someone I'm looking up to right now, because I'm still coming up, you know. I believe it's going to be a nice and wonderful experience. It's your guy, the Mudiaga Adventure is here again. So we are here at well, I would call it a palm wine joint. So apparently we're still waiting for train, so which is scheduled for 6 p.m. Well, so we just had to take our time to come and chill at this joint, so pending when our train will move. So, and you can see my guy, the Churchman himself, my fellow YouTuber, is there chilling.
I don't do this,
we
but
are just waiting. So it's just barely an hour. It's barely an hour from now till we'll depart from for KD, that's Kaduna to be precise, the northern part of Nigeria. So for us to still have a feel of our own adventure and all. And whereas we're going to show you guys places, because we have various places that we have in mind to visit on arrival, right? So I just want you guys to
it's a surprise actually. We don't tell you where we are going to.
Definitely.
Just keep on. Hope you're enjoying yourself. This trip is actually a special one, a very special one to me, because I've been here during the Corona time, but I was not allowed to go in because of the Corona. But we're here to experience it live and direct and bring it back to you. This is actually the ticketing points. Actually, we came here around 12, but we could not get ticket for 2 o'clock train. But here we're back here also to get the 6 p.m. train. As you can see, there's not much queue right now. But when we came, there were more than like 400 people waiting for
the numbers was just so enormous.
I want to advise my government, Nigerian government, if we can get a platform online for people to book their train tickets ahead of time,
that would just solve it, and
it
will solve the numbers of people coming here to queue for ticketing.
Under the sun, nobody cares. They don't address anybody. They don't address people. They don't talk to you. When and what happened? People are queuing on under the sun. They don't even care. But like, it's my country and I love everything about my country, and I'm here to promote Nigeria. It's all I care about. This is the only place I don't need visa or permit to live at.
Exactly.
Yeah, come around. This is the ticket point. This is the departure point. We've gotten our tickets already. Right now we are heading to the departure room, where we show you how beautiful the whole place is. This is actually one of the best things this government have really done that I love about, and I'm proud of them for doing the right thing. Come around, let me show you the departure room.
Currently, these are tickets, and without this, we can't go through. So we just have to bring it out right now, so they can see us, and it will be a pass for us. So
this is our passport, actually. This is crazy. This is how it is, and it costs 3,000 from Abuja, down to Kaduna. It's called 3,000 actually for economy ticket. But the other ticket, the business class, costs more than 3,000. But actually, like 4,000 or so. I don't know, because this is a peak period. Normally, this is a business class ticket normally, but because of the peak period, economy before cost like 1,000 plus. But now, because of the Christmas celebration and all that, people are crazy to go home to meet their loved ones. Now this is the economy class price, which is 3,000. Before normally it was 1,500.
So you come along as we gain entry through the.
This is the departure room. Come around, let me show you how beautiful.
Osu baby. Farida, I know you like everything. No. Amina, I know you know say the money go. My dear, and I've been thinking about you all along. I'ma give you fire. If I got you, baby, you go crazy for your body. You go shout, no, you go crazy for your body. If I got you, baby, crazy for your body. You go do you ta-na-na-na. You go do you ta-na-na-na. Oh baby, you're soft, oh it's okay. It's okay. It's you give me sweet I'ma get you like that. Come over. See you last night fucking banana. Carry city for your shoulder. You be the meal like Sylvie's over. I wanna speak or something. Nobody they follow me in style. I'm even mention. I know the time for you. If I got you, baby, you go crazy for your body. You go shout, no, you go crazy for your body. If I got you, baby, crazy for your body. You go do you ta-na-na-na. You go do you ta-na-na-na. Oh, baby, you're soft. It's okay. It's okay.